Okay, I'm trying to talk. So one of the other changes that I'm attempting to make right now that has been a little stressful and I think is finally almost finished is I am selling my truck. I absolutely love this truck and I've only had it for about 2 years. However, I'm moving pretty far away, and for as little as I actually need a truck, which is about once a week to pick up feed for the animals, I decided to buy a much more affordable truck. Then I am going back to a Prius because I've had one before and I love it. And also obviously the gas money I'm going to save driving long distances now, but also it's good for the environment. So, but I'm just glad that I'm done because car shopping is such a pain. And I'm going to be selling the truck, the other truck. I have a few offers right now, so hopefully by the end of the week it will all be done. You're ridiculous. Stop. I need my hands, and you're a biter. Why? Are you climbing in my lap right now? So this has been our weather all day, and I keep getting tornado warnings, so I have a bunch of the animals locked in the bathroom with pillows. Yeah, beautiful. I came out to the barn because I had to check on the animals. They're all, well, all of the little animals are inside. The horses are standing under a tree in the pasture because all of these stalls that are open to them at all times are not as nice as a tree. That doesn't even have leaves on it. Hey, we can't hear me. Also, I had to get a piece of wood from down here because the storm knocked over a huge piece of my dog fence, and now my dogs, who probably won't go outside anyways because it's raining, but I would like to give them the option so that they stop going to the bathroom in the house. So I have to get wood from down here, take it up to the house, and fix the fence. And I'm getting soaked. And I want some coffee. Glad I got insurance on my new cars, because I feel like some trees are definitely going to fall down. Hope the horses went in the barn. Ugh. So the rain's a little slanted. It has flooded my sun porch through the screen. It's nice. Okay. Can't see me. I can see me, sort of. On my list of like things to do in the next couple of months is I'm gonna have to switch my phone carrier because I don't have service at this new house with this phone, and then I'm also going to update my phone so that I can actually film with it facing me so you stop looking at my forehead or my chin. Anyways, I just got caught up in this whole grain silo turned into an aviary idea. It's a nonprofit. People have donated some. Thank you so much. I don't like to talk about it much. I always put like donation options in the description, but it's there. However, most of it's out of my pocket, and it's, thousands and thousands of dollars, to be totally honest. And so I'm always trying to find ways that are just as amazing, incredible, aesthetically pleasing, ultimately though perfect for the animals, I guess, that that maybe aren't as expensive as some of the other options. Pinterest has been a great friend here, or just, you know, price shopping around. I have basically a whole team of people right now that are scouring all of like the classifieds and Facebook Marketplace and everything else to try and get me really good deals on the things that I need. And so this kind of came up, and I had seen where people had suggested using them as outdoor aviaries. I like that they're so tall, so it gives the birds a lot of space to fly up and down. So I just got caught up in this idea for like the last, hour and a half accidentally, and found some that are a great price, and looked up all the plans for them and sent it to some of my construction team, which aka that's my dad, just to be sure that he thinks it's doable. I'm really excited. Can you tell I'm really excited right now? Like when ideas like this come into my head and sort of come together, assuming that they're animal related. Animal related is the only thing that gets me this energized, and yeah, just happy. Hopefully this works out. Let me know if you guys think I'm crazy. Because of this tiny bit of snow, I am going to finally make use of all of the winter wardrobe I have for my animals. Here it is. It's a blizzard. Yeah, we're doing it. Everybody? Yeah. Go, Loon, it's your first snow. We got Pippin, Claire. Oh, and I'm just taking a video of everybody peeing. This is super classy. Everybody's peeing. Pip, little Brody with his full suit. There goes Sylvanus. Hi, I need a home. Somebody adopt me. A Loon! It's not over yet. Don't you like it? Hodor. Hi. Easy. There's Jaina, who also needs a home. They look so cute. And also, we're matching. There she is. You're so cute too. I should probably put a coat. I put coats on all the dogs and not myself. Okay, there it is. Look at me being a true Georgia dweller. Out here marveling at the tiny bit of snow. Huh, this is Hodor's first snow. Claire, what are you doing? Huh? Aw, poor Brody. Look at those tails wagging. Because he's nice and warm. It's still snowing, and it's actually staying on the ground. This is kind of shocking. What? You hate the snow. What's the matter? You are not supposed to put your paws up there, young lady. You're not supposed to do that. Come on, bud. We gotta hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Birds hate it. They think it's for the birds. Look at this. It's like actually snow. Wow. Snow that we didn't have to pay for. Every other person in Georgia is doing this right now. At least my animals are smart and they're all in the barn. Hodor, are you eating the snow? Hurry, your paws are gonna get cold, bud. Come on, Hodor, let's go. It's actually not as messy as it was the first time we came through, though. I feel like there was more cars off the road. Just a little Snowmageddon adventure. Yeah, when the first time we came through, though, there was like 3 other cars off right behind them. Oh, there's still one, I guess. And then I don't know what's happening up here. You agree? This is a Loon sitting on her giant sofa, enjoying the snow. Well, it's a snow night now, watching Game of Thrones. For me, that's like the 8th time. Hi, are you warm? Aw. You look ridiculously tiny in the bed.